What is up, everyone? So today I'm here with my boy Aries, and something came in that I've been waiting for a while. These are universal brackets for my motorcycle to put on my fog light. So I'm going to open them up, see what the deal is. These are supposed to be universal, so you get one each side. Pretty cool. So this is what you get. So you get your Allen keys. This is where the light goes. No, is this plastic? No, they're metal. It's metal. It locks onto there. This is what goes over your forks. And you have some rubber to not scratch it. Pretty simple. I'll put the links down. In the Philippines, there is a rule here that the lights, your auxiliary lights, cannot go above your headlight. Logical place to put this thing on is right here. So I want to put them on, check for fitment. And that's pretty much it. Now, I do like they individually wrapped it. That's pretty cool. Now, let's just check. This should be straightforward, but let's take the dirt off of there. Somebody's going to take these off anyway. Like I said, this should be a fairly easy installation. Now, the good thing is that it comes with all that you need when it comes to hooking up that light there, so I'm going to put it there. I wonder if it's a good idea to, I would venture to say the washer can't be going here, right? Lock nut goes there. Oh, I'll put that in more. I think it looks good like that. It's definitely a great finish, that black satin finish. I'll do a quick Now, if I had another chance to do this, or maybe I'll do it in another thing later time, I would like to get these bolts in black. Although it doesn't matter because, it has those silver type bolts there, but you know what I'm saying? So generally speaking, I want them here. This is where I want them. I'll fix that later right there, but I want them here. I also want them centered too, so let me just put the baby's toy away here. Now, I don't know if you see it, but I want it centered with that situation right there. I'm going to hold it from the bottom here to get some friction there. Just slightly. Don't want to hit it too hard. I heard the click already. Okay, that's on there pretty good. Set it up first. As you can hear, they are metal. They're lightweight metal, but I believe they sound like it could be aluminum. Put these things on. Is this the one? Set this up. Very easy installation, honestly. I'll align it to where I need it to be. What do you think? Brackets are in. They look fairly even by eye. Pretty easy installation, as you can see. So I think it's gonna look clean with the lights on there. I'm gonna put the lights on there right now for just prop sake, and then we'll take it from there. But let's just do a quick clean on these because I might have to repaint them. I don't know as of yet. I might get new bolts, guys. What do you think, guys? I like it. I'm gonna adjust it from there, but generally going to be the look right there. Tell me what you guys think. So there it is. You see how easy it is to put on. It's just customization after that, where you want and things like that. I'll put the links down below. Like the video, follow this channel. I really appreciate it. And take care. I'll see you in the next